Cell membrane serve as barriers and gatekeepers. They contain receptors and channels that allow specific molecules such as ions, nutrients, waste, and metabolic products. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm functions to support and suspend organelles and cellular molecules. It helps to fill out the cell and keeps organelles in their place. Lysosome. Damaged or worn out cell components are broken down by them. Lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins are broken down into small molecules that the remainder of the cell can utilize. Ribosome. They assume the role of bringing together amino acids to form particular proteins, organelles that aid in the production of proteins. Nucleus. Inside the cells, a reservoir of genetic information in the form of DNA. All of the cell's operations are guided by the DNA's instruction. Nucleolus. The cell actions are controlled and regulated by the nucleus, which carries the genes, which are structures that contain hereditary information. Golgi apparatus, a factory where proteins are further processed and sorted before being transported to their final destinations. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouses of the cell, produce the energy that the cell requires to survive and function. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is in charge of producing lipids as well as performing other specialized duties like breaking down drugs and alcohol. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Its purpose is to make proteins that allow the remainder of the cell to operate. Centrioles act as guides for the alignment of the chromosomes as they separate later during the process of cell division.